This is Dr. Amit Korpuri, founder president of AKP Healing India. As you know, this is a transition state and summers are coming. So dear friends, people are falling sick, they are suffering from cold and cough and queries are coming to relieve it. So friends, there is a magical herb for this, and this magical herb is Kali Mirch or black peppercorns. If you have wet cough, just roast 5 peppercorns in a cow's desi ghee, grind it and have it. And if you have dry cough, then just grind 5 peppercorns and have it directly without roasting in ghee. Dear friends, if your cough is chronic, that is you are suffering from cough from longer period, then there is a solution for it, and the solution is have 5 leaves of tulsi, holy basil, have an inch of ginger or adrak, 1 teaspoon of honey, grind it properly, make a paste of it and have it for 2 days thrice a day. This is surely growing to be a magical treatment for you, and you will be relieved from cold, cough and running nose. All the best, because I want you to be very energetic, free of all the diseases, and happy summer. Enjoy summer. This is all for now. If you have any queries, please write in comment box. Thank you.